This is a black hole, one of the most terrifying objects in the universe. Invisible, silent, yet powerful enough to bend reality itself. A place where light disappears, time slows, and escape becomes impossible. Black holes are far stranger and far more terrifying than we ever imagined. What exactly is a black hole? How did they come to exist? And what happens if you fall inside? This is a terrifying truth about black holes. When humans first look at the stars, we imagine space as empty, peaceful, beautiful. But hidden in the darkness are objects so powerful they bend reality itself. Objects we cannot even see directly because they consume light. They are black holes, and the deeper scientists study them, the stranger they become. Most people imagine black holes as giant floating holes in space, but that is not entirely true. A black hole is not an actual hole. It is a region of space-time where gravity becomes so powerful that nothing can escape. Not planets, not stars, not even light itself. That is why they appear black, because no light returns from them. Every star is fighting a war. Gravity tries to crush the star inward, but nuclear fusion pushes outward. For millions or billions of years, those forces remain balanced, until one day the star begins to die. If the star is massive enough, gravity wins. The star collapses inward violently. Temperatures explode. Pressure becomes unimaginable. The outer layer explodes into a supernova. An explosion so violent, it can briefly outshine our entire solar system. But after the chaos fades, what remains can become a black hole. A collapsed object so dense that space-time curves inward. Around every black hole exists an invisible boundary called the event horizon. Think of it as the point of no return. Cross it and nothing comes back. No signal returns. No rescue arrives. No second chance exists. Even light itself disappears beyond this boundary. Now imagine you are falling toward a black hole. At first, nothing seems unusual until gravity becomes stronger and stronger. The force pulling your head becomes stronger than the force pulling your legs. Your body stretches longer, thinner. Scientists call this spaghettification, a violent stretching caused by extreme gravity. Black holes do not only bend space, they bend time. Near a black hole, time slows dramatically. To someone far away, you would appear to move slower and slower, almost freezing. But for you, time feels normal. These strange effects come from Einstein's theory of relativity, and experiments continue proving it correctly. At the center of a black hole lies one of science's greatest mysteries, the singularity, a place where density may become infinite. Gravity becomes extreme. Known physics stops working because our equations stops working. It may represent the edge of human understanding itself. Many people fear black holes, but Earth is safe. No dangerous black hole exists near our solar system. In fact, if the sun magically becomes a black hole tomorrow, Earth will still orbit normally. The difference, there will simply be no sunlight. Gravity will nearly remain the same because mass matters more than appearance. Some black holes are enormous. At the center of most galaxies, including the Milky Way, exists a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A, containing millions of times the mass of our Sun. Invisible, silent, yet powerful enough to shape the motion of stars across the galaxy. Black holes are terrifying, not because they are monsters, but because they reveal something deeper. The universe does not always behave in ways humans find comfortable. Sometimes reality bends, sometimes light slows, sometimes physics itself reaches its limits. And black holes remind us we still have a lot to learn about existence. The deeper we study black holes, the more we realize we are staring into one of the universe's greatest mysteries, a beginning we cannot yet understand. If the mysteries of the universe fascinate you, consider subscribing. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Hit subscribe and grow with us.